In today's video, I'll show you how to set cancellation policies in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to reduce last-minute cancellations and set clear rules for your clients, this is an important setup. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Business Settings or Scheduling Settings section from the left-hand menu. This is where your booking rules are managed. Now look for the section called Cancellation Policy or Client Scheduling Rules. Click on it to open the settings. Next, you can define how far in advance clients are allowed to cancel or reschedule appointments. For example, you can allow cancellations up to 24 hours or 48 hours before the appointment time. After that, you can add a custom message explaining your policy. This message will be shown to clients during the booking process and in confirmation emails. Make sure your policy is clear, simple, and easy to understand so clients know what to expect before booking. Once you've entered your cancellation rules and message, click Save Settings to apply the changes. Now your cancellation policy will automatically be enforced during the booking process. If a client tries to cancel after the allowed time, Acuity will restrict the action based on your settings. Before finishing, test your booking flow to make sure the policy appears correctly on the scheduling page. It's also a good idea to review your policy regularly and adjust it based on your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully set cancellation policies in Acuity Scheduling and protected your schedule from last-minute disruptions. And that's how you set cancellation policies in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.